I am Baudur Kanje. Today we have a topic advertising and campaign planning. Under that, advertising objectives. See, in the previous class, we discussed what is advertising plan and what are the steps of advertising plan and why this our advertising plan is necessary for the marketer. These are the concepts which we have covered. Even we have covered planning framework, all those things we have covered. Next, the objective of this session is the aim to provide an understanding of the advertising strategy and situational strategy and campaign planning. These are the three concepts which we have to understand as a student should understand by reading this concept. So next, session outcome. The student should be able to outline the objectives of advertising. So let me discuss as per the Kotler and Keller, an advertising objective is a specific communication task and achievement level to be accomplished with a specific audience in a specific period of time. So like that, many other experts, they are given their own views on the advertising objectives. So let me discuss the objectives of advertising. See, before that, let me understand that, see, for any advertisement plan, the main reason is that they will understand the whether internal and external factors of factors, what are the factors which will going to influence the advertising plan, and what is the total cost of the budget, and the preferential demographic area, and also they will understand the steps like the what type of environment is there in the selected market. Like that, many concepts will be covered over there, and also they will cover the products which are already available in the market, competitor products, and what are the prices of those products, and what is the price which we are supposed to fix for our product. Then they cover place, means what are the markets are uncovered by the competitors, so that we can able to cover, and what are the methods, promotional methods which they have already followed, and so that it will give an insight to us regarding the selection of new methods to reach the customers. So let me discuss objectives of advertising. The first objective is trial. See, as in a common sense, the trial means we check the market, or we check the product, or whatever it may be. See, before cooking, a mother will check whether salt is properly, poured, or whether taste is there, whatever it may be. Like that, even in the advertisement plan also, the main objective of the advertisement plan is to check the market and check the product by supplying to the market. Based on that, whether our sales will improve, whether our profit will improve or not, like that. Second one is continuity. So second objective of the advertising is that to have a continuity of products movements into organization, and even you have been observing some of the products, like say example, Boost or any other product. See, the advertisers are changing, the persons who are ambassador for those products are changing. Why they are changing means, you see example, previously we had a Sachin, right now we have a Kohli. Future even some other person may come, but why means they should have a continuity. Whether the advertiser may be going to change, but products should retain in the market. That was the main objective of the advertising. Like that, Vodafone or Colgate, Pepsodent, the persons are changing, but product is retaining in the market. So that is what, to have a continuity sale in the market and continuous product, continuous supply of product in the market. That is the main objective. Third one is brand switch. See, sometimes they do advertisement plan to make sure that whether they have to keep the same name as a brand or whether we need to change. Say example, MTR Gulab Jamun. It has already brand in the India. So the persons who are purchased the MTR Gulab Jamun company, they have changed the name of the company, but they never changed the name of the brand because brand was already had a name and fame in the market. So that like that, some people they retain the brands, some people they change the brand or they switch the from one umbrella brands into different. Next, switching back. Sometimes say example, they change the from old name to the new name to the old name also. For example, I take a MTR only. Say the persons who are purchased the MTR Gulab Jamun company. Say example, they have changed the name of MTR. So already MTR was having the name in the market. Suddenly, because of change of name, automatically the customers will fall for those products. So in order to recollect the customers, what they do, they again they change the name. Like that, many cases, many cases. Say example, Maruti Alto, it has a name. Maruti 800, it has a name. See, after long time, again they brought the old, brand and old vehicle into the market because in order to retain the empty Maruti 800 car, like that. Next, avoid waste. So already because of some plans, the lot of waste is happening in the advertisement, or a lot of cost is happening in advertisement, or wastage is happening in advertisement. In order to find out the wastage and also to reduce waste, even that is also one of the objective of the marketing, advertisement. Next, let me discuss what are the questions, multiple choice questions which may come on this topic. The first one is dash is helpful in promotion. The business people and big industrialists are promoting their goods and services through networking sites like Facebook, Twitter, etc. The options are social media, email, radio, television. The answer is social media. Today, most of the people are promoting their businesses through people, and big industries are promoting their goods, services through networking sites like Facebook, Twitter. These all are social medias. Next, second question is dash ignores large differences in cultures, demographic, and economic of international marketing decision. The options are standardization of drawbacks, advertisement regulations, standardization benefits, typical responses. So answer is standardization drawback. Third question, pioneer advertising, consumer advertising, and product advertising are option A, objectives of the advertising, option B, types of advertising, option C, marketing decisions in advertising, option D, evaluating advertisement. So answer is type of advertising. Next, fourth question, drama, exhibitions, fair are effective means of whether it is a personal selling or advertisements or sales territory or entertainment. So here the answer is entertainment advertisement. Next one is fifth question is dash in advertisement means of providing complete information about the product and its uses to the society. So options are legal, environment, second one awareness, third one interest, fourth one educative. So answer is educative. So there are many references which I already given in the previous sessions. The same references which you can refer for the further upgradation and also addition of knowledge to the existing knowledge. So I wish you all the best. Please refer these books which are very much important for the this particular session.
The students will be able to explain the major institutions of advertising management. Next, advertiser. The advertiser is the and what exactly we have to do and what is the formula